Get the red cherry. Come on, get that red cherry. Don't let it taunt you. Oh, yeah. Good job. What about the other one? Ah, who's this? Who is this? Who's this? Sprinkles, sprinkles. Oh, hello. Hi. Huh. Good breeze from outside. Wow. If it's breezy, we could go out and see the mosquitoes over and not get us.